This one's for you, first try. Uh-oh. All right, you guys, you may be wondering, what did we just build? Well, this right here is the MTB Hopper 2021 edition. We want to give a huge shout out to MTB Hopper for sending us this amazing ramp. Let's see what we can do with it. Ricky, you already got some ideas? You ready?
I mean, it looks pretty sick. I think there's a lot of possibilities, up, down, in and out, long ollies. I just hope, you know, it's going to be compatible. I think it's going to work out.
I think we're Braille skateboarding and anything is compatible. Let's go! And Mowgli, this was your idea. I completely forgot, and then I saw the photo and I was like, oh yeah, brainstorming, looking for the most weirdest things. You know what? Actually, y'all can help us. If you have some weird products that you think we should skate or create, leave in the comments below or on the email right here. Email us your crazy ideas, products that we should skate, because there's too much things to do. So they're going in, look. Hey, JD, are you sure you want to ramp it up this much so soon? Yeah. Oh, I was just gonna say they're declining. I was just trying to, you know, pump you up. This one's for you right here. This one's for your pun game. Oh! Did you forget your board today?
Sure did. Look at it, I got the Gabe Custom Special.
Wow, Chris. Oh my! Oh. Whoa, hey.
I would have, look at that.
What?
I would have got bodied.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so glad I saw that. Oh my god.
What does MTB stand for?
Mountain bike.
Wait, really?
That's what I said, is a bike ramp, and you're like, yeah, I know. Mountainbikehopper.com.
Oh! I didn't know that!
Well.
It's gotten into you, Mom. We're at a skate park that's different. Gotta skate it different. Whoa, brother.
Dang it! I'm just gonna tail slide.
Wow. Oh. Oh, the gap out was sick.
Thanks, Doug. I don't know why I took so many shots.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
Yeah, Glow.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna be honest, when we were setting it up, it felt like it was gonna break. I even walked on it. Like, let me give you an example. My initial reaction was, I'm walking, it's gonna break right here. But after going up of it and going down into it, it actually held up pretty good. And the fact that it didn't need metal and the going up the ramp was smooth. I mean, it's a backpack, so get it.
This is one of the sickest wood ramps out there
Grass gap?
because it was a backpack.
We just saying we were very skeptical. We were like, dang, I don't know how this is gonna skate. We just had to cut the backpack off. But then now we're like, damn, this actually is sick. Like, this is skating really well.
Yeah, I feel like it's a good flex for the engineers of this because the middle part has no legs, but it's built so well that you don't need them. So
We're
it's good.
wondering why it's not touching the ground in the middle part, but I guess they knew what they were doing, huh?
Thumbs up for sure.
GC delivers again.
He does.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you, GC.
Mowgli, this is my idea. It's a bad idea. If you don't want to do it, I understand. No, I will. Oh my gosh. It looks like a roller coaster. Dude, that looks so sick. Dang, how does he do that?
Whoa, watch out, Gabe.
Ah! Oh, no, no, no. I think it looks pretty safe. No? I don't think it's
Yeah.
gonna slide.
You know what's stuck in my head?
What?
Sea shanty. Smash that like if you like sea shanties.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! The mega ramp!
I got the angles for you, Gabe, right here. When you see the slow-mo, I film that.
Hey, you look like you're ready to take that on the mega ramp.
This is easier than the
That like, and I'll get a pirate ship steering wheel installed in my car and then play sea shanties like the Weller man.
If Mowgli was in the Olympics and you were the judge, what would you give that out of 10?
I mean, I'll be nice, and I'll give it like a solid, wait, out of 10?
Out of 10.
Solid 8.5.
Dang.
That's a good score, JD.
That's Olympic qualifying right
Yeah.
there.
But in Olympics, they would give it like a 5 because they,
Oh!
they don't like early grabs.
Oh!
but they
Well,
like-
guess what? Skateboarding started in the streets, and I ain't gonna let someone judge me because it's based off of feeling, not someone else's opinion.
I
So,
rated it at 8.5.
thank
but,
you.
But
You see,
I would say like,
as a skateboarder that's starting out, don't let others' opinions stop you from doing what you like. Write your own story, everyone. Let's go.
oh my gosh.
What the heck? Your fall yesterday was the highlight of my year. I hope you know that.
I'm glad. There's another one in that video that I just get bodied.
How did it happen?
I just kept on slipping. I don't know why. I literally kept slipping all day yesterday.
So that like was not on purpose. That
Definitely
was fully
not.
you launched up in the air and
Nope,
almost
I'm
fell.
about to release a TikTok. So if y'all want to follow me on TikTok, I got you with a funny fall.
What about up the handrail? We can do grass gap too.
If he was in the Olympics, I would have given that a 2.
Pretty scary. Where are we going next?
You tell me.
You guys have any ideas yet? What are you gonna do with the bowl in that thing?
Yeah, Dan.
There's no going back. It's great.
It's changed your life that quickly.
Yes, this is fun. This is like that.
Oh!
Bad ramp. Now you go beep beep. What are you thinking, Easy? Timani? Oh God!
You look lost, Rick.
I know. I'm just trying to think what to do. I like up the stairs.
Okay, Uzi.
I got a new idea. Not a hypothesis.
Scientific equation.
What you know when you recommend something? What is it called?
Recommendation.
No. It's like recommending something.
Hyperbole. Hyperbolic time chamber.
Close. No. I don't know about all that, Chief. I thought it would work better. I thought I could put it higher, like a second step.
You can put it higher.
I don't know. What about from the flat, Easy? But the test subject is our body. Mowgli said he would try one.
Now would you look at that? Let me explain the science behind it, Rick. It's because the momentum is shifting so far forward with speed that there's not enough downward force to cause it to break in the middle because the momentum is shifting so far forward.
Seems like it wouldn't be stable at all, but it actually feels that way. Well, they took the risk of the test. Now maybe I'll skate it too.
Yeah. What? Yep. Yeah, Rick?
Yeah.
Is that good? Yeah.
Sorry to disappoint you. But Mowgli, or JD, is gonna make it look real good right here. Look at that. What did I say? What did I tell you?
I'm not built for ramp.
Oh!
It's my boy Mo right there.
Ollie to popsicle, huh?
I know, right?
Oh, my booty! I could do that. I was trying 50, but my booty cheeks right there.
I didn't early.
Hey, early grab, literal nose grind. Dude, I late grabbed. That was a real late grab.
Why do I pick such hard
You
tricks all
get
the time?
yourself into this.
I know, but I was so close to that other one.
Oh. Yep.
People wonder why they call me McNugget. One of the reasons is because my name is Chris P.
I usually don't want my pads, but we're gonna skate this layer's house.
Oh! Let's go! Oh, body! Oh! That was so good, but so weird.
Yeah, alright, I'm happy. I landed a trick. Finally, I landed a trick today.
Oh my god. What? I call that the hydro flask.
Yeah.
Struggle.
It looked really good.
Thank you. I want to see Mowgli get his now.
Killed it, man. That was so good.
Y'all killed it.
You know what? If I was not a judge, not in the Olympics, I would definitely not give you a 10 out of 10, my friend.
You know, it doesn't even matter because I'm hyped. I got it. And I want to see the judge do if they're going to judge me. I'm just being honest. Like skateboarding isn't about who's better than you. Well, you can do. It's literally about you just going out and having fun. Like, it doesn't matter if that trick's ugly. It literally just feels cool. Like, you try skating up a rail. That's my way of saying go have fun and just do you.
So what you're saying is you like skate?
What I'm saying is you're the author of your own story. That's what I'm saying. Whoa, there's a giant tumbleweed over there. Or you could get stuck in Arizona in the middle of a desert seeing a tumbleweed. It goes both ways.
Yeah, can we? I've never seen one. Oh, yeah! Hey, that was sick.
Pushing the people. Love it.
There is someone climbing the pole over there.
It's perfect. Well, not perfect, but it's still good.
The only thing damaged is the paint job, and that's not really an issue.
It's weird. I didn't feel it. Yeah.
What do you think, Rick? Easy build?
It was an easy build, even with ripped up instructions.
Ricky is no ordinary man.
He's not. He's an icy one.
Wait.
Yeah. Damn, this is very appealing to board that up too.
I've never heard anyone, except for an Australian, say that something is very appealing on a skateboard.
Appealing?
I am excited for you to skate it. Because you like skate, I like skate. So you see what I did there? He was expecting me to say something, to do something of the sort. Yeah. But I used his own slogan, make him skate it. Because he likes skate, I like skate. That's interesting.
I tell them they want to ollie the 3-step, ollie the 2-step first. You want to fitty the rail into the thing, fitty the rail first.
Words by professional. His board is available on brailleskateboarding.com. Go get it. Oh my god, it's Jason Bourne. That was so scary.
It's kind of shimmerous, because if you jump to the bottom, then you just go like this.
I needed to wax it.
Oh.
No, I don't need to wax it. Excuses. Oh no!
Dang. Yeah, but now he can't go up. How terrible.
More like I'm grateful that I'm alive.
I'm grateful you're alive too, Mo.
Oh, I don't know anymore.
But now you can, oh.
Yeah, you got this, Rick. You're good. You're safe. Wow. Uh-oh.
Wait. I think you might have one more try, Mo. Killed it.
We destroyed it.
We shredded.
Hey, what's up with the doubt?
This is what happens in every single video. Gabe has an idea. I'm extremely doubtful about the idea. And then the idea works out pretty good. And I'm like, yeah, you know what, Gabe? I'm going to invest in the company. Congratulations.
I like skate.
I like skate.
Now say I like optimism.
I like skate. Huge thanks to MTB Hopper for sending us this ramp. We had a fun time skating it. Link is in the description below. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know what crazy things you want to see us do next. We want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.